Accuracy is vital when you want to track your blood pressure at home. In this video, we want to help you to prevent the most common mistakes when taking a measurement. The things you do before you start measuring can have a huge impact on the accuracy of your readings. Before you start measuring, try to avoid strenuous activities. Do not shower or bathe 30 minutes prior to measuring. Do not drink hot or very cold drinks 30 minutes before you start measuring. A few minutes before taking a measurement, sit still and try to relax while taking a deep breath. Remove your watch, bracelets, or other jewelry on your left arm. When taking a measurement, the cuff of your BP monitor should be placed correctly. Don't forget to wrap the cuff around your left arm. Make sure the cuff fits snugly, but not too tightly around your upper arm. Make sure the cuff is at heart level. Align the tube with the main artery in your arm. When you actually start measuring, your readings can be influenced by small details. This is how you really measure like a pro. Do not cross your legs while taking a measurement. Do not talk while measuring. Do not take a measurement when you need to go to the bathroom. Sit comfortably with your arm resting at a flat surface. Sit as still as possible. Follow the instructions to ensure accurate measurements.